tá bá ti rí uptrend simply nǹkan tó mean normal layman language normal understanding tá bá ti rí uptrend nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé this one yẹ euro yìí tó bá ti jẹ́ base currency which is this one which is base tó bá ti jẹ́ base definitely la dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tó bá ti wà níwájú ni base so tó bá ti jẹ́ base tó bá ti jẹ́ pé uptrend là ń rí something like this tó bá ti rí something like that máa mọ̀ pé base yẹn o òun ló fún wa ní òun ló wà ní good trend lọ́wọ́ like this something like this tó bá ti rí something like this so a ti máa mọ̀ pé base yẹn òun ló ń strength ló ń get strength nígbà tí the quote one yìí tóun lose strength like this. ṣé mo ń get mi bẹ́ẹ̀ so tó bá jẹ́ sí pé but tó bá ti jẹ́ pé downtrend ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá ti ní downtrend definitely that means this USD is the one that is getting strength while this one is losing strength. ṣé ó yé bẹ́ẹ̀ which means the quote one is the one that is getting strength while this one is losing one when we are having a down trend something like this. So I'm getting with that is ṣàlàyé yẹn sí so máa jẹ́ ká lè understand àwọn movement bí chart ṣe move gangan. So now tá bá move kún bẹ́ẹ̀ let's say we go to chart now mo lérò pé n tí mo ṣàlàyé yẹn understand ẹ̀ dáadáa bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn àbí. Now we have three type of market trend. We have a uptrend, we have a downtrend, then we have a ranging type of consolidation. Still the same thing. We still have choppy, but I classify choppy and ranging as the same thing because two of them is just avoid it. Which means uptrend, we have uptrend. Something like this. Uptrend will give us something like this. Like this, and this. That's for the uptrend. And downtrend, we have something like this. Like this, like this, like this, and down like this. So the downtrend mama fún wa nìyẹn. Tó bá di jẹ́ ranging or choppy market, we see something like equal high, equal low, equal high, equal low, equal high, equal low. That's for the range. But tó bá jẹ́ choppy, the choppy will be kind of kò ní fún wa ní equal high, kò ní fún wa ní equal low. It becomes something like this: high, low, like this, come back down, go up again, do like this, something like. And get a this one will be choppy. This one is choppy market. Let me give this thing. So this is uptrend. And this is downtrend. Why this is choppy? This one here. Choppy market. So now, choppy market, and this one will be what? Range. This down one.
Range.
So this will be range. This will be uptrend, downtrend, choppy, and range. Now, bó more uptrend, bó more downtrend. That will be the question. More uptrend. Uptrend will give you a series of higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Be uptrend This is the high, this is the low, the higher high again. This is the low, lower high, then higher high again, lower high, higher high. The uptrend Shemarine. The behind uptrend is that if you always break the previous high. That's the psychology behind the uptrend. Break uptrend or the break the previous high, which means this one here, this one here, this one. You understand? This one must be broken. This one here must be broken. Then this one here must be broken as well. Come inside. And this one must be broken as well. So bí uptrend ṣe bá ṣe máa mọ uptrend nìyẹn ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa break what previous high tá bá ti ní before you know that ó gbọ́dọ̀ break it since tó ti
Right.
break high yìí sìn so we are having a uptrend so same thing as downtrend náà tá bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa downtrend náà ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa break what previous low something like this ṣe ń gẹ́tẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ so ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa break ẹ̀ báyìí ó gbọ́dọ̀ máa break ẹ̀
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
tá bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa range kò ní ní break anything òun kàn máa fún wa ní equal high and equal low you understand equal high and equal low equal
Okay.
high equal low then same tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa choppy yẹn ò ní fún wa ní anything kò ní fún wa ní trend kò ní fún wa ní equal high kò ní fún wa ní equal low you understand so with that
Okay.
méjèèjì yìí it's advisable to just let it be just leave it méjèèjì yìí kéèyàn má
Okay.
trade tẹ́ bá ti dé anytime tẹ́ bá ti open chart tẹ́ ti lè divine pé this is the uptrend or this is the downtrend just leave it for the day.
Okay.
sọ̀rọ̀ mi yé bẹ́ẹ̀ just leave it for the day then bá ti open chart
Oye mi.
àárọ̀ bá ti open for the day pé mo fẹ́ trade o ẹ wá open chart yẹn ẹ wá lè identify pé this is a high this is a high this is another high this is a low like uptrend lélẹ́yìí o àbí downtrend lélẹ́yìí o tí kò ṣe é ṣàlàyé pé bó ṣe jẹ́ lélẹ̀ just let it be for the day or if you go to another peer pọ̀ you understand we have multiple peers why things máa waste time yẹn àti owó yẹn lórí peer kan
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
just go to another peer for that one to be able to fall in line with your expectation so you have to go to another peer. So that's that about this two. So this ranging and chopping market, no, is a no. Just let it be. Though some people are trading this ranging market, they have strategy behind that is giving us the opportunity to trade ranging market, but it's not advisable. You understand? It's not advisable. Just let it be.
Okay.
So that's that about that. So lórí àwọn yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ kí àtìmọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ let me delete this. So let me delete this. So now, àmọ́ ní láti wá lọ sínú chart ká wá identify uptrend àti downtrend nínú chart wa. Okay. Now, this is it. Let's go to
Okay.
4 hour. So on 4 hour. Nínú 4 hour candle kan báyìí. Ibi tá a ti máa ń ṣe a lot of mistakes lélẹ̀ pé tá a bá wà ní 4 hour candle báyìí let's say this one tí mo draw sí báyìí sí.
Okay.
4 hour time frame ni lórí 4 hour ní candle yìí ti wá let's say bullish candle báyìí lórí 4 hour. So ṣé mọ̀ pé 4 hour nìyí tá a bá máa lọ sórí candle yìí ní 1 hour candle ẹyọ kan yìí let's say a fẹ́ split the candle ẹyọ kan yìí ní 4 hour láwa yìí o láti rí o ní 4 hour now àwa fẹ́ split ẹ̀ now we go to 1 hour definitely ṣe mọ̀ pé 1 hour mẹ́rin la máa rí tó máa fún wa lélẹ̀ on 1 hour ṣé nǹkan tí mo sọ yé bẹ́ẹ̀ so mẹ́rin ló máa fún wa ní kí tó tá a bá lọ sí 30 minutes ó máa di 8 ṣé understand bẹ́ẹ̀ tá a bá lọ sí 15 minutes ó máa di 16 ó máa di 16 candles whereas ẹyọkan péré lórí 4 hour. So with this tell ẹ bá lè understand àwọn kan tó wà behind all these candlesticks ìyẹn máa understand candlesticks in the language of forex market and it only takes a trader to understand. So for instance now tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ sí hospital tí doctor bá kọ prescription fún yàn tó o bá jẹ́ doctor kò jẹ́ nurse you won't know what the person write ó kàn máa kọ wọn pé kí ló pọ̀ yìí same thing as forex trading náà ẹni tí ó bá jẹ́ forex trader tó bá ń wo chart máa wọ pé kí ni gbogbo eléyìí kò ní understand what is it. So same irú àwọn kan yẹn ni mo fẹ́ ká program mind wa pé this thing is also a profession it's also a business ó ní bí ìbò náà ṣe wà kò kí wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tí nǹkan máa ṣe ẹ́ ní àbó ṣe wù. now so nǹkan tí mo máa ń ṣàlàyé lọ lórí candle ẹ̀yọ̀kan yìí tó jẹ́ 4 hour yìí tá a bá lọ sórí 15 minutes 16 candle la máa rí before ká tó form 1 hour one candle lórí 4 hour. so that 16 candle yẹn ó máa fún wa ní ó lè fún wa ní trend lórí 5 minutes. ọ̀rọ̀ mi yé nsìn let's say nísìn I will have these 2 candle here which is 4 hour and 4 hour candle méjèèjì yìí 4 hour ni candle méjì péré ni so kò sí nǹkan kan tá a fẹ́ fi just 2 candle ṣe kò fún wa lẹ́ni information kò fún wa lẹ́ni thing just 2 candle àti lè mọ nǹkan tí ó ń sọ but tá a bá lọ sórí 5 minutes just these 2 candle péré ó máa ti form trend lórí 5 minutes. You understand this which is ó ti máa fún wa ní high ó ti máa fún wa ní low ó ti máa fún ní high ó ti máa fún wa ní low lórí 5 minutes yẹn. so bí àwọn kìnìyàn ṣe jẹ́ so tá a bá dórí high time frame tá a bá ń analysis lórí high time frame by the time tá a bá máa dórí smaller time frame candlestick yẹn ti máa pọ̀ sí a máa wà confused pé ìwọ máa mọ wá fẹ́ ṣe báyìí. so to be able to know that you have to narrow your knowledge to just one place. You need to máa wo wọ̀tún wò sí just narrow yourself okay ibi báyìí nǹkan báyìí ni mo fẹ́ wò nǹkan báyìí ni mo fẹ́ rí. so that's part of discipline tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa. You know what you are looking for and you go for what you are looking for. so now ẹ wo láti bí báyìí sí bí báyìí sìn láti bí báyìí sí bí báyìí is a downtrend àbí láti bí báyìí sí bí báyìí is a downtrend. so láti bí báyìí sí bí báyìí is a what? Uptrend, which means inside one time frame. Now láti rí uptrend, láti rí downtrend. So sometime market máa ṣe uptrend, but overall trend tó ń ṣe ló really matter jù. Because tí market bá fẹ́ move, even kó fẹ́ move láti 10 pips péré, kó fẹ́ move 10 pips or 20 pips péré, ó máa lò kí ó máa wálé náà, ó máa ṣe up and down, highs and low ló máa ṣe. Bó fẹ́ move just 20 pips highs and low ló máa ṣe. Same thing as tó bá fẹ́ move 100 pips highs and low náà ló máa ṣe. So now for us to place yourself in a way to explain which one is more accurate than the other. Èwo ló yẹ ká follow jù. Ló fi jẹ́ sí pé we do something that we call top down analysis. So that top down analysis will give you a bigger picture of higher time frame. So you know what you are following from higher time frame, maybe for monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, day 15 minutes that we take. Now, ṣẹwárí lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí a ní uptrend, downtrend bí báyìí, a ní uptrend. Now we're not still having another downtrend bí báyìí náà again. So because kí ló qualify downtrend, kí ló qualify uptrend? Uptrend gbọ́dọ̀ máa break high, tí downtrend gbọ́dọ̀ máa break low, nǹkan tó qualify wọn nìyẹn. Now, this is the uptrend. This is the uptrend because on break high. That's it. This is it here. On break it come by. Another one here. Sorry. Another one here. Another one here. So we call this thing, we call it break of structures. Break of structure. Now they say BOS, break of structure. Break it. Same thing by no. So the same thing as talk about what they be by. Or pada. Instead, you have continue to break I to one be by. Instead, go my break I to one be by. Go break. Go I to one be by break. Instead, o pada was sale. All again. So what eventually what break low to one be by. To one be by. Now, so ibi tí kíni wà lílé. Ṣé tí market ṣe ń lọ sókè ń sìn báyìí. Tí market bá fẹ́ change direction, tó bá wà ní uptrend àbò wà ní downtrend, tó bá fẹ́ change direction, ó máa ń ṣe nǹkan méjì kan. Number one, is either kó consolidate ní edge yẹn, ó máa consolidate ní either uptrend ní downtrend ní, ó máa consolidate a little bit, which is ìwú nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bí báyìí. ó máa consolidate, which is ó máa ṣe something like this. Ó lè ṣe something like this. Kó máa consolidate before kó tó wá eventually move. Tó bá jẹ́ pé uptrend tẹ́lẹ̀ ni, or tó bá jẹ́ downtrend, ó máa kó tó wá eventually move sí tó bá fẹ́ move sí bẹ́ẹ̀. So, but then another thing tó máa ń tún ṣe ni pé either ó máa fún wa ní double top or double bottom, which majority of people know as M pattern and W pattern.
Yeah.
So this is sorry, something like this, like this, like this. Ó máa fún wa báyìí. Ó máa fún wa ní double top tó bá jẹ́ pé uptrend ló wà tẹ́lẹ̀. Tó bá wà ní uptrend, tí market lọ uptrend now, tó bá fẹ́ change sí downtrend, ó máa move, ó máa fún wa ní double top báyìí, which is equal high. You understand tí mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀? Tó máa fún wa ní double top, which is equal. Same thing as tó bá jẹ́ downtrend náà, ó máa fún wa ní equal low, like this, which is double bottom or W pattern. Anything tẹ́yìn bá fẹ́, anything tó wù kẹ́ tẹ́yìn bá wù kó pè. Nǹkan tó ṣáà máa ṣe, òun ni kó ṣe. Nǹkan tá à expect kó ṣe ni pé kó fún wa ní entry. So yẹn náà wá need. No matter orúkọ tẹ́yìn bá pè, they call it, àwọn míì máa pè ní equal high, àwọn míì máa pè ní double top, àwọn míì máa pè ní M pattern, anyone. So nǹkan tí mò ń try sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń sìn ni pé tí market bá ti fẹ́ change the trend bí ó ṣe wà ní uptrend báyìí sìn, market wà ní uptrend báyìí sìn, nígbà tó fẹ́ change trend báyìí, ẹni pé consolidate. Ní tó túmọ̀ sí pé on 4 hour láwa yóò 4 hour time frame, which is àárín yìí báyìí nísìn. Tá bá lọ wo àárín yìí ní smaller time frame, bẹ́ẹ̀ 15 minutes or 5 minutes, a lot of things will have happened. Ṣé nǹkan tí mò ń sọ yé ń sìn? Box it báyìí, ká lọ smaller time frame, ká lè understand nǹkan tí mò ń sọ. So let me box it. Okay, mo ti box yẹn sí. Ibi ranging kìíní yẹn nìyẹn. Let's go to 5 minutes. Ká wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. So good. So now, see, ranging tá a rí ní 4 hour tó rí a rí kékeré yẹn. Ṣé ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣe ní 5 minutes. So nǹkan tí mò ń try láti ṣàlàyé ni pé a lot of things tẹ́ bá rí ní smaller time frame, ó máa wà confusing. Tonti tẹ́yìn bá tó lọ wò ní bigger time frame tó máa wò pé this thing ó kàn range ni o, let me leave it. But tẹ́yìn bá wò ní smaller time frame náà, ní bíbá ẹni sìn, tẹ́yìn bá wò ní smaller time frame náà, ẹ máa wò pé okay, market ti ọmọ high bíbá yìí o, then ó fún wa ní equal low bíbá yìí, then ó move up, mo gbé okay, market ti fẹ́ máa buy low níbẹ̀. Eventually ó padà sísàlẹ̀, ó break low tó wà bíbá yìí. This one here. Actually, báyìí, ó break low tó wà bíbá yìí. Then according to the rules of downtrend, market tó bá ti break low, that means it's downtrend. Abi, now I don't know, okay, downtrend like wow, let's look for another entry. Maybe you now enter again. You have to move. So